Hi there and welcome to another Beaver Builder tutorial. In this video we're taking a look at the gallery module. This module is perfect for displaying a collection of images, whether you're showcasing a portfolio, highlighting recent work, or just adding some visual interest to your page. Let's explore the settings, starting with the General tab. First up is the Layout option. You can choose between two display styles, Collage and Thumbs. Collage arranges your images in a dynamic layout with various sizes and proportions, while Thumbs presents them in a neat grid of equally sized thumbnails. Next is the source setting. You can pull images from the media library or from SmugMug using a gallery's RSS feed. If you're using SmugMug, you'll need to get the RSS feed URL for your gallery. Use the Get a Link option in SmugMug and paste that URL here. Beaver Builder will automatically pull in the images and any associated captions. If you choose Media Library, you'll see an Edit Gallery button. Clicking this opens the standard WordPress Media Manager. From here, you can add new photos by uploading files or select existing ones from your media library. To upload, just drag files into the window or click Select Files to browse from your computer. You can then choose the images you want, click Create a New Gallery, and finish by pressing the Insert Gallery button. Back in the Gallery module settings, you'll see the Photo Size drop-down. This controls the size of each photo displayed in the gallery. Choose from small, medium, or large, depending on your layout needs and image resolution. Then there's the Show Captions option. If you enable this, captions will be displayed beneath each image. These captions come from the image metadata in the WordPress Media Manager, specifically the caption field for each photo. If you're using SmugMug, Beaver Builder will pull the caption directly from your SmugMug gallery if they're available. You can also define what happens when someone clicks an image by setting the click action. Choose from None, where clicking does nothing. Lightbox, which opens the image in a larger pop-up view. Photo link, which takes a user to the file URL or a custom link if set. If you select Lightbox, you'll see an additional setting, Lightbox Photo Size. This lets you choose what size the photo appears in the Lightbox view: thumbnail, medium, large, or full size. Now let's move to the Style tab. This is where you can fine-tune the appearance of your gallery. You'll see a setting for photo spacing in pixels. This adjusts the space between each photo. Next are the photo border settings. You can set a border style such as solid, dashed, or dotted. Choose the border color, define the border width, adjust the border radius to round the corners, and apply a subtle box shadow to give your images more depth. These options are great for adding polish and helping your gallery blend into your page design. And finally, we have the Advanced tab. This section gives you access to additional layout and developer tools. You can adjust margins with pixel or percentage values for top, bottom, left, and right. This is useful for spacing the gallery away from other modules. You'll also find visibility settings where you can choose which breakpoints the gallery appears on, for example, hiding it on mobile devices but showing it on desktop. There are options for entrance animations which can make your gallery fade or slide into view. Under HTML element, you can customize the container tag and assign an ID, class, or label to help with structure or styling. There's also an export-import section, helpful if you're copying the module between layouts. And for developers, you'll find fields for custom CSS and JavaScript, offering even more control if you want to apply advanced tweaks. If some of these advanced settings feel overwhelming, don't worry, we've created a separate video that walks you through everything available in the Advanced tab. Once you're happy with your setup, click Save. Then click Done in the top right, and don't forget to publish your changes. And that's it. The Gallery module is a flexible way to present beautiful collections of images, and with just a few clicks, you can make them look stunning on any device. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. We read every comment and try to answer any questions you have. If you found this video useful, give us a like and consider subscribing. It really helps grow the channel. Please also consider sharing, as we really want to help the Beaver Builder community. For more hints and tips, visit learnbeaverbuilder.com, and we'll see you in the next one.